If you have back pain, some of these back strengthening exercises may be keeping you in pain. So put them on the shelf until your back is healed and stable. I'll reveal the 4 bad boy back exercises and their safer replacements. Hi, this is Dr. Hobbs, restoring hope and health for lifetime family wellness. So these exercises aren't bad all the time for everybody, but they're serious no-nos if you have back pain and should even be avoided by everyone else until your back is stable and you're pursuing performance athletics. Researchers measured the amount of compression the spine is under, all right, how much when it's compressed, under various activities that were performed. These 4 were sure losers because of the high force they put the spine under, especially when other exercises work the muscles almost as good. Oh, keep this number in mind, 3,300 newtons. No, not fig newtons. 3,300 newtons is how much force the National Institute of Occupational Safety and Health, OSHA, says is unsafe for doing repetitively, or most people will risk back injury. Okay, 3,300. So let's get right into it. No exercise number 1 is the traditional sit-up. So it puts 3,500 newtons on the spine. Wow. A single regular sit-up exceeds the 3,300 limit. Bent knee sit-ups, they aren't any better. The ab machine, it's not any better. Stay away. A curl-up or crunch is better at only 2,000 newtons. All right, no exercise number 2 is the straight leg raise. When you have your legs out, lift them up. All right. That's 2,500 newtons when lying on your back and 2,800 newtons when done hanging. So like when you're propped up like this, you lift your legs up. And if you do it with bent knees, it's only 800 or 1,800 newtons. So not too bad, and a great way to work on back control at the same time if you know what you're doing. All right, no exercise number 3 is the back extension machine. So you have the pad back here and you're pushing backwards. The back extension machine, or the Superman, where you're laid out on all fours with the arms or on your belly with your arms up and your legs up. So no exercise number 3, the back extension machine and the Superman floor exercise, weighing in at 4,000 newtons. Wow. And that's when you're hanging over the end of a bench or machine. All right, in this case, when it's propped here and your legs are held and then you're extending backwards. Okay. And lifting yourself up, and that's without even holding a weight. A lot of us who do this with a weight and then extend up. So that's called the Roman chair back extension. The weighted pulley machines are likely even worse, the ones where you're pushing backwards that I talked about. The Superman, lying on the floor, face down and lifting your outstretched arms and legs toward the ceiling while arching your back. Okay, hold your breath for this one. It generated 6,000 newtons of low back compression. That one surprised even me. I'm always learning. And no exercise number 4 is the push-up or the plank with staggered hands. So that's hands like this, weighing in at 2,500 newtons. The standard push-up and plank are only around 1,800 newtons, which isn't too bad. But when you start getting fancy, the force skyrockets. With clapping hand push-ups, it's 4,700. And a one-arm push-up is a massive 5,800 newtons, almost as much as the Superman hold. All right, so here you go. Those are the 4 no-nos and their safer replacements. Now, I know you thought of some folks that need this information. Okay, so I'll review those exercises and their safer replacements. The traditional full sit-up, replace with the crunch. The straight leg raise, replaced with the bent knee leg raise. The back extension machine or Superman hold, replace with, well, I didn't give one, but the bird dog or cross crawl exercise, where you lift only one arm and one leg at a time, is a good replacement. And finally, the regular push-up or plank are okay, but getting fancy with split hands or Clapping adds a lot of stress. All right, so there you go. Those are the 4 no-nos and their safer replacements. Now, I know you thought of some folks that need this information, so share it with them. I'm sure they'll appreciate it. And if you'd like more spinal health info, text the keyword BACK to our phone number to receive a month-long Back and Spinal Health educational video series sent straight to your phone. Or you can give us a call at our office or visit our website. We'd love to help you out, make an appointment, and we'll see you soon. Have a great day.